Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Fortnite unable to sign into your account for Xbox Live problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Before we move on to our solutions, there are two things we need to check. One of them is our internet connection and the other is whether Fortnite is up to date. First we will check our internet. To do this, we press the guide button. Then we come to the profile and system section. After doing this, we enter the settings. Then click on network settings. And finally, we click on test network connection. We checked our connection. Now we will check if Fortnite is up to date. Before doing this, we make sure that our game is closed. We closed our game. Now we press the menu button and click on Manage Game and Add-ons. If Fortnite has an update, we are doing this update. We have completed our checks. Now we can move on to our first solution. Our first solution is to change our DNS address. To do this, we press the guide button. Then we come to the Profile and System section. We go to Settings. After doing this, we enter the network settings. Click on Advanced Settings. Click on DNS Settings. Then click Manual. In the primary IPv4 DNS part, we write 8.8.8.8. In the secondary IPv4 DNS part, we write 8.8.4.4. We changed our DNS address. Now you can open Fortnite and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to restart our console. This reboot will not be the way we do it all the time. We open Fortnite before restarting our console. Then we wait for the press to start screen to load. We came to the press to start screen. Now we can restart our console. I won't restart because I'm recording video, but you have to restart. After restarting, you can open Fortnite and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our last solution. Our third solution is to disconnect and reconnect to the internet. If you are connecting the internet to your console with a cable, unplug your internet cable and wait 10 to 15 seconds. If you are connecting the internet to your console via Wi-Fi, unplug your modem and wait 10 to 15 seconds. Then restart your console. After restarting, you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.